478 points gap down. Did you panic or did you profit? While most traders were trapped in this zigzag volatility, a simple inside candle setup handed us a 148 point jackpot in Nifty options. Today wasn't about luck, it was about patience. I'm going to show you the exact entry, the risk reward ratio that made this possible, and how I also booked decent profits in my stock trades. If you want to stop chasing the market and start catching moves like this, watch every second of this analysis. After a 478 point gap down opening, Nifty had shown a zigzag move for entire day with 385 points range. If you see here, 20 MA was below 50 MA for the whole day. So it was a clear sign that market was in perfectly bearish trend. Now let's move to the option chart. See here, this is a put options chart. I will show you exactly how you would have got a great opportunity if you have followed perfect inside candle setup. See, 20 MA is trending above 50 MA. So it was a clear sign and it is trending. So it was a clear sign that we must look for the put option buying opportunities. See here, a perfect three candle setup was found, right? But if you see, its high is 131.3 and low is 70.65. So our stop loss would have been above 40 points, right? So what is our rule? If the stop loss is above 40 points, we will not take the trade. We will look for the next setup. So see here, next setup formed here. First candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup was formed. 2050 ms trending up. So here there was a 35 points 35 point stop loss. And if you would have took a trade, this trade, you would have got a 1s2 2R risk reward. Perfect. So 2R profit was possible. Here you would have got 70 points profit. After that 70 point profit, in next two candles only, again a new perfect inside candle setup was formed. See here, first candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup. Green candle has highest volume 50 20 MA trending up. So your trade would have got executed at high of this candle, low would be stop loss. In this case your stop loss would have been 38 36 points, no 13, sorry, 39 points. So your target was around 78 points. See here, you would have got a target in this particular candle, right, at 155 candle. So overall it was a 78 point profit in this particular trade. Sorry. Perfect. Then see what happened. After 2 p.m. Nifty has reversed, right? And see what happened. We don't get any opportunity after that time because 20 MA start trending downwards. Perfect. So overall, if you have traded perfectly, you would have got 148 points profit in case of put option buying. But remember, if you would have become greedy in this particular thing, and if you would have seen that yes, my trade is going in a good profit, so let's wait for entire day. What happens? See, then what would have happened? See here, your initial stop loss of 35 points would have got hit, right? So always remember, follow your setup to the T, 100%. Everything set up with candles arrangement, set up with indicators arrangement, set up with volume EMA confirmation, with your profit target, stop loss, everything. Don't skip anything in your setup. Otherwise, you will definitely wipe out your capital in the long run. Now let's move to the next trade, next chart. See here, this was a call option buying chart. But if you see, our primary filter said no for call option buying because 20 MA is trending below 50 MA. So will you look for the trade opportunity in this case? Clear no. Fine. So in case of call options, there was no any buying trade opportunity. Now let's move to the stocks trades. I will just change the time frame to 15 minutes as we are discussing stocks. See here what happened. These are my actual trades because I trade in stocks, which are my actual trades. Perfect. So if you see, Nifty was trending and it was bearish. So I took bearish trades in case of stock. 2050 ms trending down. First candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup was formed. I took a trade at low of this particular candle. High was my stop loss. Trade was going very well in my favor. But after that particular 2 p.m., markets reversed and see what happened. This particular candle closed above 20 EMA. Perfect. So I trailed my initial SL to this particular candle's high and I closed this trade at break even. Though I have seen a very good profit, but I have followed my process. It was around 1.5 hour profit. Already I was seeing on the dashboard, but I am not close the trade because I follow process. I don't look for the profits. So here it was a break even trade for me. My next trade was in Lodha Developers. See here, perfect three candle setup was formed. First candle, second candle, third candle. If you see on the bigger frame, see here, 20 ms structure is clearly saying that this stock is in bearish trend, right? So I was very confident to take a bearish trade in this particular stock. So I took a trade at low of this candle, perfect inside candle, sorry, three candle theory setup. Red candle has highest volume, 2050 ms trending down. This trade was also gone in a good profit, but again after 2 p.m. it has reversed and closed. No, it was not closed above 20 ma. So overall it has closed in a small profit at the end of the day. I closed this trade at around 3:14 p.m. as per our process. My next trade was in Info Edge Nokri. See here, perfect on bigger side, bigger frame. If you see, perfect downtrend. See here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Low again, a lower low. So overall it is in a bearish trend. So I took a sell side trade in this particular stock. 2050 ms were trending down. Mother candle was a red candle and has highest volume. So I took a trade at low of this candle. High was my stop loss. See what happened. This candle closed above 20 ma. So I just shifted my SL to high of this particular candle. But again, stock reversed and I got a very good profit in this particular trade. Not 2 hour profit, but around 1.5 hour profit in this particular trade. This was my next trade, that is into Prestige. A perfect two candle setup was formed. Inside candle setup was formed. First candle, second candle, 2050 ms trending down. On higher time frame, on higher frame, if you see, stock is in perfect bearish trend. So I took this particular sell side setup. At low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. My trade got executed in this particular candle. And see what happened. This particular candle closed about 20 ma. So I just shifted this particular. If I tell you that just 2 points I was away from target, but I haven't closed this trade in such a handsome profit because for me rules come first, then the profit. Profit should definitely come, but that should be as per rules, not by gambling. So I haven't booked anything in this trade. I have waited for the 2 hour profit, but I don't get it. And then this candle closed above 20 ma. So I just shifted my SL above this particular candle. So I got a small profit in this trade. Fine, no worries. It happens. So these were my four actual stock trades for today. Nifty options, there was an opportunity of 148 points profit using the inside candle setup after the massive morning gap down. Equity stocks managed a disciplined decent profit by sticking to the trend. So overall, a highly satisfactory expiry day where process beat the chaos. What is the key takeaway for the day? Let's see what is the key takeaway for today. See here, the 148 point profit you seen today was only possible because of one thing: risk reward discipline. In a 385 point zigzag range, It's incredibly easy to get greedy or get shaken out by a stop loss. If you didn't follow the setup perfectly, you would have wiped out your gains by overtrading. Remember, market rewards your process, not your greed. Stick to the setup and the market will eventually pay you. If this analysis helped you understand how to navigate a volatile expiry, do two things right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss the next big trade setup. Comment process below if you are committed to following your rules from tomorrow. Let's grow together as disciplined traders. See you in the next analysis. Thank you.